Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. I'm over here in Miami, Florida at Northwest 32nd Court and Northwest 60th Street. I'm about to show you guys an abandoned industry spur. Come with me. Okay, so that's where I began filming the video, right over there by that sign. I've walked some feet south. Here we have the railroad crossing, the crossbuck, and as you can see, this spur here was cut from that spur over there, which I'll show you guys in a few. Right now I'm facing east. It smells like coffee over here. So yeah, you got the railroad crossing. You can see in what great conditions these roads are in over here. And then let's see if over here we find some traces of rails or spikes or nope, nothing. Actually, yes, in the distance I can see some. I can see right underneath that oak tree over there. I can see the reflection of some rails shining right there. But the camera might not pick it up. Okay, so you got that one going on. Oh, actually, yeah, look, you got rail right here. Nice. That's what railroad archaeology is all about, guys. When I was in Harvard studying railroad archaeology, these were the moments that I would look forward to. When I had to be out on the field, bringing you guys this coverage. And then, I don't know if this might have been, because I see the pavement indent, but I don't think that would have been, might have, no, because it doesn't even go into a, yeah, this is just a random pavement indent. So yeah, so then here we have the other one. You can see the wooden ties. This is facing east, sorry, west. Show you guys someone you haven't seen in a while. Happy. Say hello to the camera, say hello to the people. Happy. Guys up. He's a little bit funny sometimes. Okay, so now I'm back on 32nd Court, walking south. And this is where this one went to. Yeah, as you can see, well, aside from that shrubbery you saw over there, there's no train coming through here anytime soon. CSX Transportation, Jacksonville, Florida. Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, that's where this one ended up. It's not even locked. But we'll be respectful and leave it as is because that's private property, so. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for coming along with me. Always a pleasure. Remember, I drop videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Give me a thumbs up, a comment. Take care. Bye-bye.